Nowadays, you have seen many videos or blogs about the new functionalities of Business Central 2023 Wave 2. And you also want to try it, but you don't know how to create one. Today, I'm gonna show you how to do it. Welcome to my channel, Learning Business Central. My name is rcorella, and I'll show you how to create a sandbox with the new preview just released. Please subscribe to my channel if you don't want to miss any of my videos. And of course, if you think it can be interesting for someone, feel free to share it. The first thing that we need is to go to the symbol and press Admin Center. Now here we have the environments. Every environment in our system, in our tenant, and we can create a new one. Pressing here. Remember, we can have only 3 sandbox and 1 production environment. Then let's go to the new panel and press the name. The name is BC23. Of course, it's not possible to put production and say sandbox. The country, we can choose US. And of course, we can put here the new version. This is the new preview version. Is the 23. And press create. The system asks me for a warning, but press yes. After a few minutes, we can see on the panel, we have the new environment created with the new version directly in preview. And if we want to use this new version, we can go here, click on the link, then the new environment is open, and you can check the new version directly from here, the help, and we can see here is in the new version. Then you can start to test every new functionality, every new marvelous functionality that we have in the new versions. If you have any doubt, hit me below in the comments, and thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one.